Residents of the community of Bloxburgh in East Rural St. Andrew are desperately calling for help as sections of the road leading into their community are still impassable after more than 2 weeks. Roadblocks due to landslides from torrential rainfall make traveling impossible, which is affecting everything from lives to livelihood. Giovanni Dennis has their story.
Here in the community of Bloxburgh, no transportation, no type of transportation can come right. We are totally blocked.
A community cut off for close to a month, residents insist. We wanted confirmation before reporting, but even getting close was challenging. Our videographer Devon and Jeffrey, who was guiding us to the community. This alone took us half hour to clear. Last Friday when it rained, Jeffrey had to brave the mud to take his mother home. That took more than 4 hours.
The road has skid out for hours. The vehicle tire done Friday night. I push the vehicle over it Friday evening because of the hunger. Everyone this we go back to Bloxburgh.
As we crawled up into the hills to find Bloxburgh, we saw 60-year-old Keeble. Jeffrey gave him a lift. He now walks more than 2 hours back and forth to 9 miles in Bull Bay almost daily.
I have to go down, go check my old lady and come up back and them thing.
How you find it to have to walk, go up and back and forth on the hill?
But it's rough, it's really rough. It's really rough and hard.
This landslide where we had to stop is still a mile away from the community. Other residents, all small farmers, met up with us. Viola Reynolds is 76 years old.
Can't take the problem with the road and me produce them as spoil. Can't come out. And my children send me money for me buy me food. Me can't go out to go buy the food. 2 months me in here.
The cost of goods in shops has also increased.
Because we have to pay one transportation from Kingston to 9 Mile Bull Bay. One from 9 Mile Bull Bay to right here. And we have to pay the bike man from right here to the community.
Even the bikes struggle to get through the mud. The lack of access is also affecting persons who are ill and may have contributed to a woman dying last week.
I'm inside in bed and he get a sick. And he sitting so for the air and he lift him pan hammock. He carry miles away down there. Before a police vehicle could have come off and assist him. Near to the Cane River. And dead before once, by the time he reached there, a couple of days, he don't make it.
I have a sick brother from September. He's supposed to go to the clinic for his appointment in September. And up to now, I can't take him.
Residents took us a little further up the hill where men were working. Impatient and frustrated, the residents here in Bloxburgh have taken matters into their own hands. Men, women and children have gathered and they are now breaking rocks, as you can see right here. Some are breaking rocks while others are picking them up and they are putting them right here. They are making a makeshift wall for 2 reasons: to prevent further landslides and also to expand the road in this area. Isaac Morris is a mason.
A long time we are trying to help in the district more time, We find volunteer work, When the road block, we not get no assistance early. We have to make it possible that we can go to cover, walk from here to 9 miles.
In the meantime, the NWA says it is working to clear the blocked roads in the area. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.